Divya Rani.
Speaker sir, I rise to support the demand and oppose the cut motion. I would like to express my gratitude and thank the Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Nilesh Kabral, who was the PWD Minister before, Honorable WRD Minister, C. Pramod Badami, and the entire team of PWD, Water Supply and WRD for their efforts in issuing the 15 MLD water treatment plant in Morle Colony. आणि हाज्या खातीर आमचे 5 पंचायतीचे उदकाचो विशय आसा तो आतां मिटतलो. आणि त्याच बरोबर आय अर्ज द चीफ मिनिस्टर की आमचे पळय बाकीच्यो पंचायती आसा ठाणे मावशी आसूनी पर्याच्यो ताका इट डजंट हॅव अ source of water. At the same time, Savarde, Nagargaon, Varpoy. So it is having continuous water supply crisis. Ekach 10 MLD चा plant asa Dabos water treatment plant in the municipality, which is supplying water to entire Valpoy constituency and part of Pariya constituency. So Magta ki I urge the Honorable Chief Minister to please kindly look into this and ask his department along with WRD department if they can do a survey and see की डाबोसचो प्लांट जो आसा तो अपग्रेड करून काय आनी एक नगरगांव पंचायत विच इज क्लोज टू द म्युनिसिपालिटी थंय एक वेर देर इज सोर्स ऑफ वॉटर थंय एक एडिशनल 10 MLDचो प्लांट नवो घालून that is going to solve the water issues of another 5 more panchayats of both the constituencies. At the same time, jo pipelines are going from the Dabos plant to Maushi up to Thane. These are very, very old pipelines. जी over 40 years old आणि हे तांचे डायमिटरी बारीक आसा they have got corroded आणि they need to be replaced on priority. तांचो ऑलरेडी एस्टिमेट्स बी जाल्ले आसा. हांव मागता माननीय मुख्यमंत्र्या कडेन की जात तितले बेगीन हे तर एक्सपेडायट केले जाल्यार खूब फायदो जातलो आमच्या पंचायतीक. मॅन पॉवराचे उलयता तेन्ना आमचे बिल्डिंग डिविजन जे आसा PWD सब डिविजन 2 ऑफ वालपोय इट इज कॅरिंग आउट मेंटेनन्स रिपेर्स एंड रिकन्स्ट्रक्शन ऑफ 255 गव्हर्मेंट बिल्डिंग्स ऑफ वेरियस डिपार्टमेंट्स इन सत्तरी तालुका आणि सध्या इट इज अंडर स्टाफ दिस सेक्शन अँड the junior engineer asuni LDC asuni pune asuni supervisor asuni they are totally absolutely understaffed. So ani if we have to do effective ani timely site visits ani preparation of estimates ani here carrying out repairs maintenance on timely basis zalyar magta ki jatitle begin manche additional staff hanga ghalun so that the department can the section subdivision can work in a prompt manner. The assistant engineer je asa he has additional charge of 70 ani AE Ponda TA asa so he is unable to manage because he is overburdened with multiple responsibilities. JE asa to parat additional charge of Ponda asa and as it is Sattari taluka being vast and extensive so much magta ki jatitle begin additional engineers LDC pune supervisors laborers tar ghatle zalyar ही जी कामां आसा ती jatitle begin आमी करपाक पावतले. Water supply चे जेन्ना उलयता तेन्ना परत there is at least we need a staff strength of at least 290 staff comprising of pump operators, valve operators, supervisors, plumbers, mechanical, JE, civil, TA. But we have a shortfall of at least almost 160 staff. So परत एकदा मागता की जातीतले बेगीन तुम्ही तर मातशे एक्स्ट्रा स्टाफ घातले जाल्यार.
Under Rule 16 of the Rule of Procedure and Conduct of Business, I move a motion to extend the duration of the sitting of the House by 2 hours.
The motion is that the duration of the sitting of the House be extended by 2 hours. Those in favor may say aye.
Aye.
Those against may say no. The ayes have it. The ayes have it. The duration of the sitting of the House is extended by 2 hours.
जो मॅनपॉवर शॉर्टफॉल आसा मागता की जातीतले बेगीन हे वॉटर सप्लाय डिविजनांनी बी एक्स्ट्रा इंजिनियर्स एक्स्ट्रा ऑपरेटर्स सुपरवायझर्स प्लंबर्स घालून मातशे सो दॅट द सब डिविजन कॅन फंक्शन स्मूथली. I want to thank the Honorable Chief Minister की आमचे MLA LAD चे through funds आमचे 3 major important works आमचे देवळाचे आणि आमचे renovation पंचायत community hall ग्रामसेवक quarters आमचे झाल्या. So I want to thank the Honorable Chief Minister for that. आनी मागता की आमचे जे पेंडींग आमचे कितलेशे रिपेर्स आनी रेनोवेशन्स आसा वेरियस स्कूल बिल्डिंग्स आंगणवाडी सेंटर्स ऑलमोस्ट ओवर 70 फायल्स पेंडींग आसा प्लस आमचे ITI होंडा आसा सो दीज बिल्डिंग्स आर इतले वर्साचे आनी दे आर इन रियली डिलॅपिडेटेड कंडिशन आतां पावसान तर खूब लॉट्स ऑफ बिल्डिंग्स आर हॅविंग लिकेज इश्यूज एन ऑल आनी भुरग्यांक थंय पावसान थंय बसचें पडटा मागता की जाता तितले बेगीन ह्यो फायली मातश्यो जाता तितले बेगीन एक्सपेडायट करून ही जी कामां आसा मातशी जाता तितले बेगीन सँक्शन करची At the same time, I want to thank the Honorable Chief Minister की already आमचे 12 स्कुलाची कामां सँक्शन जाल्लीं आसा काम थोडे कडेन सुरू जाल्लें आसा 2 आंगणवाडी सेंटर्स ची कामां सुरू जाल्लीं आसा त्याच भशेन जे बाकीचे आमची उरल्या ते बी जाता तितले बेगीन मातशे करचे म्हणून काल हांव ड्युरींग 0 hour हांवें आमचे सोनारचे जस्ट 5 minutes स्पीकर सर आमचे सोनारचो जो रस्तो आसा तो उदकाच्या पोना वयल्यान काल आय जस्ट मेन्शन्ड एंड गिवन दीस प्रपोजल टू ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर हांव मागता की हो जो रस्तो सोनार तार सावर्डेचो रस्तो आसा तुमी मातशे तुमचे इंजिनियराक इन्स्पेक्शन करून जाता तितले बेगीन हो रस्तो ह्या रस्त्याचे एलिवेशन इज मच निडेड कित्याक एवरी इयर इट गेट्स सबमर्ज ड्युरींग द रेन्स आनी लोकांक खूब त्रास जाता टू गो थ्रू दीस रोड आनी लॉट ऑफ इनकन्विनियन्स फॉर द पीपल ऑफ दीस एरिया Demand number 23 होमाचेर उलयता आसतना I want to congratulate the Honorable Chief Minister for starting the Pink Force in 2021 and for enhancing the safety and security of women and children across the state. आमचे जे Pink Force जे सत्तरीचे आसा, the Pink Force is shared by Bicholi and Sattari Taluka because as the frequency and volume of distress calls is low in both the talukas. But at the same time, जे जेन्ना आमकां पिंक फोर्स नासता तेन्ना it is effectively managed, I should say, by the existing women personnel of the Valpoi police station. But we require a dedicated pink force patrolling in Sattari Taluka कित्याक it is a rural area आणि केन्ना if there is any distress calls, women related cases, so it is when you have a pink force at least बायलांक मातशें एक समाधान जाता की there is a car moving around, there are women personnel, police personnel roaming around because to ensure assistance कित्याक so at least it will deter crimes against women in these rural areas. And it's essential that for any emergency situations and to encourage women also to immediately report crimes. So here pink force asle with women personnel. So एक मातशे आमच्या महिलाक एक मातशे समाधान जातले. So मागता की जाता तितले बेगीन एक pink force आमचे सत्तरी तालुका डेडिकेटेड पिंक फोर्स एक सत्तरी तालुका खातीर एक दवरचे म्हणून आणि जेन्ना I would like to say like to evaluate it's important to evaluate and improve the existing law enforcement services for supporting women's safety across Goa. कित्याक केन्ना तरी एक जेन्ना when we report a rape case for example, it's crucial that a female police personnel handles the situation throughout. So this will provide a more supportive environment for vulnerable women and offer them additional support. होमाचे परत उलयता आसतना आमचो एक पुलीस आउटपोस्ट आसा होना which is in urgent need of repair and renovation. At the same time आमचो police outpost आसा केरी which needs urgent reconstruction कित्याक it's in a totally dilapidated condition. At the same time जे वालपोयचे police station आसा ते that also needs urgent reconstruction. So मागता की माननीय मुख्यमंत्र्या कडेन की हे जे आमचे दोन आउटपोस्ट आसा केरी आनी होना आनी वालपोयचे नवे police station जाता तितले बेगीन हे घेवचे म्हणून. Thank you, Speaker, sir.
Nilesh Kabral.
I rise to support the demands and oppose the cut motions for the demands put on the table of the House. Speaker, sir,